This is the elevator at Boscov's Clearview Mall in Butler, Pennsylvania. The Schindler 321A. Hi.
Going down one. Yeah, nice day out there for us.
Yeah.
It's supposed to start raining tonight, I think. Then rain all day Monday, Tuesday, I think Wednesday.
Yeah. You guys have a good one.
Yeah.
You too. And made it over there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep. Let's go back up to 2. Get this thing closed up. Good.
Alright, here we go. Let's hear the motor. Here too. Get a quick cab view. 2,100 pounds.